Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to join my live stream. This is me, your host Crypto Moon. How are you all? So please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow. So कैसे हैं आप सब? आई होप यू ऑल आर वेल एंड गुड। तो आज मैं आपके लिए एक न्यू टॉपिक लेके आई हूँ तो जो कि है मेरा प्रोजेक्ट। तो आज मेरा फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट है। आई होप आप मुझे रोज़ की तरह आज भी सपोर्ट करेंगे। So please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow my account. So now let's get stream started. And today our topic and we discuss Candy Drops 7th, 4th, Candy Drops X, Dex Lab, X Lab trade and invite friend to share 10,000 000 X Lab. तो आज मेरा प्रोजेक्ट है तो मेरे साथ बने रहिए और मुझे सपोर्ट करते रहिए. सो प्लीज कीप सपोर्टिंग. डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक एंड फॉलो माय अकाउंट. So Candy Drops 7/4, Candy Drops X Dex Lab, X Lab trade and invite friend to share 10,000 000 X Lab. So 2025 by 09 03 03.08 or 24 UTC and the total views we have 12728. So Candy Drops is Gate Candy Airdrop platform where users complete tasks to earn candies and share token airdrop. So we are excited to launch XLab Token Airdrops event where you can complete the following tasks to earn candies and share our total prize pool of 10,000 000 XLab with the maximum individual share of 10,000 XLab. Detail are as follows. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. So number first we have first spot trading pool 2,000 000 XLab maximum 1,000 000 XLab per person. The number second spot trading pool 4,000 000 XLab maximum 4.500 000 XLab person. Okay, so now next third we have invite friends prize pool 4,000 000 XLab maximum 4.500 000 XLab per person. And then number last and fourth we discuss airdrop calculation formula individual candy amount total candies of all users. So prize pool event period September 3 2025 6.00 to September 14 2025 6.00 UTC. Okay, so now next we have XLab. DexLab is a Solana-based token factors and decentralized exchanging platforms that empower anyone to launch and grow tokens without counting. So total prize pool we have 10,000 000 participant we have 10.506 or event end is 07D190425. So registration open. Registration open. Next we have event end or airdrop 2025. So registration open we have 2025 0903 11.0000. Event end we have 2025 0914 11.0000 or airdrop we have 2025 10.09 11.0000. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. Please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow. So if you have any question related to today's stream or topic, feel free to ask in my comment section. So today is my first project. Please all of you guys keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow my account. So next we have complete task to share 10,000 000 XLab prize pool. So first spot trade prize pool 2,000 000 XLab. The next we have total token 2,000 000 XLab. Individual share limit we have 1,000 000 XLab. So complete task and share prize pool. Login and participate 2025 0903 11.0000 to 2025 09 by 14.11.0000. So next we have complete task 2025 0903 11.0000 to 2025 0914 11.0000. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. Please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow my accounts. If you have any question related to today's stream or topic, feel free to ask in my comment section. So now next we have make your first spot trader achieve X Lab spot trading volume to least 200 USDT. Okay, now make your first spot trade after joining Gate and achieve XIAB spot trading volume 200 USDT. So claim 1000 X Lab or activity rules. You have spot trading share 4000 X Lab, total token 4000 X Lab, individual share limit we have 4.500 X Lab, complete task and share price pool. Login and participate. So 2025 0903 11 o'clock to 2025 09 14 by 11 0000. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. Please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow my account. So if you have any question related to today's stream or topic, feel free to ask in my comment section. Okay, so now complete task and share price pool, login and participate, complete task, Trier X Lab Sport trading task 500 USDT, Trier 2 X Lab Sport trading task 1000 USDT or Trier 3 X Lab Sport trading task 3000 USDT. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. Please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow my account. Okay, next we have invite friend, share 4000 X Lab or 4000 X Lab, individual share limit we have 4.500 X Lab, complete task and share price pool, activity rules, and the last we have FAQ, frequently asked question. So where are the requirements to participate in Candy Drop? Thank you so much, Crypto Butterfly, for sending me a gift. Thank you so much, dear. Means a lot. Thank you so much, T-Rex, for your joining. Thanks to all. Please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow my account. So today is my first project. So please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow my account. Okay, so now first we discuss frequently asked question number 1. And we have what are the requirements to participate in Candy Drop, and the answer is users participating in Candy Drops are required to complete identity verification and click the join button on an event page only after successfully joining with their activity data be connected. So market makers, enterprises, and inflations are not be eligible to participate in this VN. Agent accounts cannot participate in friend invitation types event, which other events have no restriction. Okay, so now next we have question number 2. When will candies be distributed after completing task? And the answer we have candy will be distributed within 3 hours after users complete task. Please log in and check the candies obtained from Candy Drop after 3 hours. Okay, so now next we have the question number 3, and is invitation reward has not been issued, and the answer only users who registered via the exclusive referral link generated on Candy Drops invite friend event page and complete the requirement task will be eligible for Candy reward. No reward will be distributed for referral made using invitation code for link for other pages. Additionally, if the referred use participant in another referral campaign, so the referral will not receive reward seamlessly. Okay, so now next we have the last question, and is what are the first spot and first future trading tasks? Okay, so now next we have the answer, and the answer is users who have never conducted any spot for future trading after joining Gate and claim these tasks by making their first spot future trade of the special token and researching the communicated trading volume requirement during the event period. Users there complete the task and event referral reward. Thank you so much, Mushtaq, for your joining Crypto Butterfly. Thanks to all. Please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow. Okay, so now next we have terms and condition. So now we discuss DXLab official website, the playground of Solana meme creator. From S-Bonk to the next bit height at the starts here. Okay, so now official website you see in your screen. Let's launch. Before they they launch here. S-Bonk, S-Mesmero, Sailors' Spawns all started and DexLab. Okay, so now this is the partner of Solana DexLab, minted over 2000 token, project launchings, community farming or early trades. Okay, the next, this is just the beginning. For meme to market in second, the faster way to create, launch and trade your token to Solana. Thank you so much, Crypto Butterfly, for joining. Thank you so much, Javed. Thanks to all. Please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow. So today is my first project. So if you have any question related to today's stream or topic, feel free to ask in my comment section. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. Okay, so now next we discuss the faster way to create, launch and trade your token or Solana. So step 1, mint, take token. Step 2, launch. Step 3, trade or instantly trade on DexLab, Bullet in Corp plus AM or research Solana most generated users. Okay, so now next we have about DexLab, the meme coins machine of Solana. From the beginning, DexLab set out to break down the barrier of token creation. No code, no permission, no limits. So we were the minting agent behind viral hits like Bone, Slave, and Ponky, empowering creators, communities, and deliberately alike. Thank you so much, Crypto MacBook, for joining. Thank you so much, Crypto MacBook, for your joining. Means a lot. Okay, so now next we have. So we were the minting imaging behind viral likes to hit to the main sources to the Solana agreement. So Ponky empowering creators today. DexLab is the backbone of Solana meme economy, making it that simple to mint, list, and trade token at scale. So our vision to become the launch infra of the internet next culture moment on token at the time. So now next we have following product lines join the words of decentralizing crypto. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. Please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow my account. So following product lines join the world of decentralizing crypto, DexLab Factory, fast and easy token creation or swap pool, fast liquidity provision and seamless trading. So enter just 3 pieces of info, token name, ticker or image or easily launched on token economy. The next we have create a liquidity pool on the DexLab based DEX or low fees fast statement. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. So please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow. So if you have any question related to today's stream topic or project, feel free to ask in my comment section. Okay, so now next we have the lab factor. Next we have Telegram bot. Okay, so now we discuss Telegram bot. Telegram bot real-time assessed alerts and quick action. So in chat, mint and market tools, DexLab features notification. Okay, so now next we have API, automatic tokens creation to trading with API, API integration of DexLab features or automate our traditional operation. Next we have what's new, explore the latest tools and upgrade for creators and traders. So next we have coming soon order book. So put your meme coin into priority. So limit market and stop orders for full trading control. The number second idea of LPS snippers and Sessioner design, or the number third a full trading engine beyond layer 1 DEX. Okay, so now next we have airdrop burst, go viral mission by mission. Launch quests that grow your Telegram and social, intergate, quiz, polls, meme tasks, or get users activity, airdrop to engage, grow to expand your meme empire. So turn your swap coin into a real trading asset like Zile by faster, simpler, and native to your token. Thank you so much, Crypto Butterfly, for your comment. Good luck for project. Thank you so much, dear. Means a lot. Okay. So now powering the next wave of icons just like Bonk, Slap, and Ponky. So powered by the leading integration, the best of Solana ecosystem integrated seamlessly with Dex Labs, DevFlow, Dex Screen, or BitGA, or Quick Nodes, Jupiter, manufacturers PumpFun or CoinGecko और स्विच बोर्ड और सोनिक. ओके सो ये सारे इसके टीम मेंबर्स हैं. Investor and partners, we have Solana Foundations, Jump Trading, Raise Capital, Serum or Big Ben Holding, Great Ventures or BXN, General Capital, NGC, GBY, ये सारे इसके building launch trade with Dex Lab. Okay, so now you see in your screen Dex Lab. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. So please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow my account. So Dex Lab you see. तो ये हमने ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट डिस्कस की है Dex Lab की. The next we have the introduction white paper. So introducing Dex Lab Token Factory. So unlocking the power of Solana, Dex Lab Token Factors, formally maintaining by offers a comprehensive suite of tools to create and manage token on the Solana blockchain, from token creation to advice, utility features. Token Factory provider a virtual platforms of building a wide range of blockchain-based application. So for more detail, guidance on how many maximizing of potential of the Token Factory, check out our comprehensive guide below. So Token Factory, DexLab Telegram board, Factory board. DexLab Factory board on Telegram offers everything from token creation and trading to mini games and talk to earn features. So combining utility with fun, start exploring now. The URL address you see in your screen. So get started. Expanding the Solana ecosystem with DexLab program. DexLab is continuously deploying a history of program smart contracts within the Solana ecosystem, where every more features and foundational to come. These programs are designed to empower developers and projects to unlock new probability on the blockchain. Thank you so much, great users, for your joining. Thanks to all. So here are some of the key programs developers and operated by DexLab. DexLab Token Factors Program, Program ID, Services URL or DexLab Swap Pool, Program ID, Service URL or official link you see in your screen. So DexLab Bonding Curve, Meme Launch Pool, Program ID, Service URL, or stay tuned. DexLab continue to expand its offering and enhance the Solana ecosystem. So token and swap APIs. The next we have tokens and swap APIs. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. Okay. Express your imagination without coding with DexLab ecosystem. DexLab API is the easiest way of developers to access liquidity on Solana. Simply pass in the desired pairs amount and slip pages at the API with return to sterilizing transactions needed to execute the swap, which can be the pass to Solana blockchain where the required signature. So unleash your imagination with DexLab versatile ecosystem. So explore limited possibilities and bring your ideas to life with the powerful tools and features Dex Labs offer. Let your creativity thrive its own dynamic and abused ecosystem. So API key, issuance guide or swap API, token creator API, Dex Lab factory board. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. Please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow. So if you have any question related to today's stream or topic, feel free to ask in my comment section. So Dex Lab factory board. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining Dex Lab factory board. Start Dex Lab Telegram board. What is Dex Lab factory board? Thank you so much to all of you for your joining and support. So I am a new streamer. Please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow my account. So what is Dex Lab factory board? Creating a token have been easier. With just a few taps in Telegram, you can launch your own token trades instantly and event aim rewards all without writing any single line of the code. So Dex Lab Factory Bot is an intuitive chat-based Web3 utility that lets you to explore the Solana ecosystem directly inside Telegram. So powered by DexLab, robust token, issued and management APIs, the board simplify the process of creating, launching and managing token as naturally as chatting with a friend. So whichever you will here to experiment, bullet a real token economy on just explore what possible in Web3 DexLab Factor board is your assessed way in. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. Okay, so now next we have key features. Create and manage multiple deposit wallets, launch token directly on Pump Fund and trade them instantly. Trade token using two aggregations like OKX and Jupiter with automatic best price selection. So earn rewards through mission mining and referrals. Access tool to diagnosis token, view trend, all analysis mints. So both users guide. Open Telegram, mobile or web and click the link below. Getting starting, deposit wallet, referral reward, GRP reward, token launch or trade buy or sale, token search and trading or multiple wallet, copy and trade token, bootstrapping. So important note, some features require a small amount of SOL of cover Solana network fees. Deposit wallet are not be backed by the bot. Please store your key safely. All actions are executed on chain and cannot be undone. Proceed with care. So next we have getting started. So welcome to DexLab Factory Board, the ultimate Solana meme factors on Telegram. So DexLab Factors Board is the one of Telegram board of exploring the Solana ecosystem. To create and launch meme token, trade initially track token trades and enjoy mini games all within Telegram. So what there you are creating on a trade DexLab Empower, you will bullet to Solana effortlessly using a friendly bot interfaces. So earn DRP reward through token creation, mining and mission. So next we have initial interfaces. So start your Solana journey with the DexLab Factory board today. So when you first start the board by typing start, you will see the home screen. Thank you so much. No time for your joining. Thanks to all. Okay, so at this point, you must first create a deposit wallet to unlock the core features of the board. Tap create deposit wallet. This will generate a Solana wallet for you to use with the bot. Once the wallet is created, deposit some SOL to begin. So after wallet creation, High DexLab Factors bot is your playground for Solana Web3. You can create token, trade, explore it, and enjoy games, have fun, and earn DPR to unlock executing reward. You play wallet, or you can start anytime anywhere using start or home. So your referral, so create a launch token, search my token or tools, so buy or sell. My token is wallet or tool is setting. So playground and DPR 100, deposit balance 0.000 Sol or Jupiter JUP volume $18.5939.913. Thank you so much, Crypto Eye, for your joining. Long time no seen. How are you, dear? Good to see you here with me. Thank you so much, Crypto Velvet, for your joining. And it says Assalamu alaikum. Walaikum salam, dear. How are you? Good to see you here with me. Crypto Eye, I'm good. How about you? Long time no seen. I hope आप भी ठीक होंगे, खैर खैरियत से होंगे. Okay, so now next we discuss after creating your deposit wallet, the interfaces updates, your plan wallet addresses is no visible, so you can tap the wallet button to manage or copy your address, so your deposit balance is display in real time. Okay, I am good also, dear. Thank you so much for your joining. Good to see you here with me. Crypto Velvet or Crypto Eye, thank you so much, both of you, for joining my stream. Okay, so now your wallet addresses is now visible. You can tap the wallet button to manage or copy your address, or your deposit balance is display in real time. A new sections appear, your referral or referral. So once your wallet has Sol, you can access all features like launching a token, trading via aggregations, or earning DPR through games and mission. Okay, and much more. Available commands or description. Start the DexLab factory board. Home, open the main menu. Referral, earn rewards through our referral program. Trade token, buy or sale. Inshallah, Crypto Eye, inshallah very soon. Thank you so much for your joining. May Allah bless you and your family. So trade, token buy or sale, referral, we discussed deposit, view your deposit wallet addresses for network fees, withdraw Sol for more deposit wallet, withdraw SPL token for your deposit wallet, or create a token, meme token or setting, manage by setting, cancel, terminate the ongoing process, or help access tutorial and help resources. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion. Thanks to all. Please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow my account. Okay, so now next we discuss deposit wallet. What is a deposit wallet? The deposit wallet is your personal wallet used to pay Solana network fee with interacting with the DexLab factory board. Thanks to all for your joining. Please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow my account. So this included actions like tokens, minting, trading, or launching token or pump fund. The bot will automatically dedicate Sol from your active deposit wallet when needed. So deposit wallet management screen. So you can access your deposit wallet by tapping the wallet button on the main menu. The screen shows your currently selected wallet, its addresses and balance. So public key, this is the Solana address used for fees or balance. The amount of Sol currently available in this wallet or wallet 1 by 5 indicate how many wallets you will create it of the allowed maximum subject to changes. So next we have available or action. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. Crypto Champion, thank you so much for your beautiful comment and appreciation. Thank you so much, dear, means a lot. Okay, so now next we have available actions button or description. So wallet X by X, a view of manage all of your deposit wallet. You can switch, rename or detail wallets. The number second, deposit. Copy the wallet address to deposit SOL into it. You can use any Solana wallet or exchange to end funds. The number third, withdraw SOL. Send SOL for your deposit wallet to another Solana address or withdraw token. Withdraw SPL token non SOL held into your wallet. My SPL token. We a list of all SPL token currently held in the wallet. Close. Exit the wallet management view. On the last is home. Return to the main menu. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion, for your appreciation and kind words. May Allah bless you and your family. Okay, so now next we discuss referral reward. So what is referral system? DexLab Factory Board provided as a bullet in the referral program that allows you to earn SOL reward when you invite others. Okay, when you invite, create tokens or platform trade, you earn a portion of this fee directly to your deposit wallet. So next we have how it's work. You must first create a referral account automatically done via the referral command. Share your referral link with friends. Number third, your friends must start the bot using of referral link. The number fourth, you will receive SOL reward when they launch token, e.g. via pump fund or perform trade, buy or sell. So rewards are not available if your friend started the bot without your link. Okay. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. Please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow. So today is my first project. So your guys are the best. So please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow my account. So next we have invite friend or earn reward. Invite your friend and earn SOL reward based on their activity on the board. The number first, a referral account must be created first. The number second, share your referral link with your friend. Number three, your friend must start the bot using your referral link. Reward are not available. The users is already active. So you earn a portion of a fee when your friends created token of performance. Not referral rewards for token creation required to create a referral account first. So your referral link click to copy or friend invite. Zero referral reward features. So your referral link tap to copy and share. Friend invited. See how many users join via your link. So rewarded sources currently support token launches and trade with more to the added. So current reward features. Okay, so now next we have current reward features. Token launch, portion of creation of SOL, token trade, portion of trading of SOL, coming soon, other mission of campaign based reward or reward are paid or instantly and are fully to on chain or verifiable. Okay, so now next we have notes. There is no limit to the number of users you can invite. Okay. So there is no limit to the number of users you can invite. If you invite start the bot before you are clicking your link, you will not receiving reward. So some action like token creations require you to have a referral account registered in advance. So next we have DRP reward. What is DRP? DRP DexLab reward points is a point-based reward system that automatically as you uses the DexLab factory board. These points are earned through action can be used is the reward shop. So, and are designed to insensitive organizing activity with the ecosystem. How to earn DRP? You can earn DRP by performing the following action. The number one, mine participate in click-based mining event. The number second, create token. Use the bot of launch new token. Trade token, buy or sell using supported, aggregated or mission coming soon or game coming soon. So DRP rewarded vary based on trade volume and total supply. DexLab reward point DRP. DRP is the rewarded point system that accumulates automatically when you use the DexLab factor bot. So how to earn DRP? First we have main, create token, trade mission soon or game soon. DRP reward vary based on trade volume and total supply. So your point 100 DPR or mine, coming or coming, reward shop, close or convert home. So you can access the DRP system by tapping earn DRP or drop committed. Your pound displays your current DRP balance. So mine begin mining click based interaction. So coming, please holders of coming features, mission games, reward shop, use your DRP points of redeem rewarded or convert will enable DRP to token convenience in the future. Then next last we have token. DRP is not a token but an internal rewarded point with the system. You may be able to exchange DRP for token or limits to the future depending on upcoming feature. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining T-Rex. Please keep supporting. Thank you so much Flower Queen for your joining. Good to see you here with me. Please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow my account. Okay, so now next we have token launch. Launch your own token with ease. Launch your own token with ease. With DexLab's factory bot, you can launch your own custom token for meme token directly inside Telegram. So without writing a single line of code, whatever you are launching for fun, community growth or experimentations to both support multiple methods of your need. So you can access the token launch menu using the create and launch token button on home screen. Token launch menu. Create your own token for meme with essays. With just a few inserts, your creation custom token is born. So try the help create types or command. Create token 2022 text or launching pumps fun, auto minute or copy mint. Create token. Launch a basis SPL token with a custom name, symbol and supply. The next we have create token 2022 text. Launch a SPL token 2022 base token with advanced features like transfer text or launching pump fund. Instantly create a launch a meme token or pump fund directly through the board or auto mint. Fully automated launch mining input for fast developments or copy mint. Create a token by copying parameters. Name symbol supply for an exciting one. Okay, use help or create type to learn more about such creation type. So now launching with pump fund. The one launch pump for option allows to use. So instantly create and publish a token or pump fund. Skip manual website steps, anything happening inside Telegram. Trade your token immediately via bonding curve, or this is ideal for meme token experience for fast spatial launch. For token creation required a small amount of SOL in your deposit wallet to cover network fees. Token 2022 base token offer additional features like fees or freezing but may have limited wallet compatibility. The next we have trade buy or sale. Thank you so much, Gate user, for following me. Thank you so much, means a lot. Thanks to all. Please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow my account. The next we have trade buy or sell. So instantly trade any token. Now we discuss trade buy or sell. Instantly trade any tokens. DexLab factory board makes it simple to trade token instantly using a variety of powerful integrators industry OKX, Jupiter and PumpFun. Okay, so there are two easy ways to trade using a token mint contract address. If you already have a token mint address, you can annotate our trade directly. So paste the token mint address in the chat. The board features real-time into of price, volume, sources or chart or top buy and sell to trade immediately. So browse token via trading or new listing. You can discover activity tokens through trading popular token based on trading volume. New listing recently create or list token. For either section, tap a token to view its info to a trade in instantly using buy or sell button. Next we have swap features. So trade are routed via PumpFun, OKX, Jupiter Aggregator or T10 coming soon. Price are automatically optimizing across platform. Fast execution and fully integration inside Telegram. So next we have nodes. Swap required to small amount of SOL in your deposit wallet. Slippage and swap mode cannot be configured. The setting menu always double check token mint addresses before trading. Thank you so much T-Rex for your joining. Gate users, thanks to all. Please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow. So if you have any question related to today's stream or topic, feel free to ask in my comment section. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. Good to see you here with me to all of you. Okay, so now back to the topic and we discuss. So nodes swap require a small amount of your deposit wallet. So slipper and swap mode can be configured in the setting menu. Always double check token mint address before trading. So next we have trade buy or sell. Trade buy or sell, instantly trade any token. DexLab factory board makes it simply to trade or instantly. Token search and trading, easy discover and analyze token. The DexBoard factory board of instantly tool to search, analyze and explore token directly from Telegram. So to external tools required. So search mint address, token name or pump fund URL. Discover trading on newly listing token. The number third, view trading volume, price chart or and real-time token data. Trade instantly from the result screen. The next we have main menu navigation. You can access the search features by tapping token search, trading or new listing. The next we have trading token. Tap trading to see token with the highest trading volume over the last 24 hours. So token are displayed with 0% changes, volume and track. Tap a number to see detailed info to a process of trading. Next we have new listing. Users the new listing to find recently launch of added addresses, added token. So see name, symbol and liquidity of each tokens. Create for discovering meme tokens early. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining and support. So please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow. If you have any question related to today's stream or topic, feel free to ask in my comment section. Thanks to all. Please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow my account. Okay, so now next we have keyword or means search. You can search your any token using it mean address, token name or keyword or pump of URL. So result are listed with your volume, clickable, detail button or sport physique keyword matching. The next we have notes. Clicking on any result open to unlock detail with trading options. You can combine that with the swap features of immediate trading. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. Please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow. So if you have any question related to today's stream or topic, feel free to ask in my comment section. Next we have multiple wallet. So why multiple wallet? So DexLab Factory board allowing you to manage multiple deposit wallet for your different purpose. So such as token creation, trading, mining or testing various strategies. So this gives you flexibility and control over your soul and token usage. You can manage 5 deposit wallets, set a default full wallet and freely switches between them. How to access wallet management. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. Okay, hello Crypto Butterfly, how are you? Good to see you here with me. So tap the wallet button from the main menu to open the deposit manager screen. So deposit manager, token mining and other actions required SOL of network faces their bot with automatically dedicated phrase from the following wallets. So public key, balance 0.00000 SOL wallet 1/5 deposit Vitra SOL or Vitra token, my SPL token closed or home. So here you can view your current wallet and balance deposit or Vitra SOL or SPL token. Open the wallet management screen or adding a switching wallet. After selecting wallet X5, you will be show a list of your current wallet, default wallet view 1/5. So you can create up to 5 deposit wallet of token creation, trading and more. Please select your default wallet from the list below. So current default wallet, add new wallet 1/5. So multiple wallet view 2/5. You can create up to 5 deposit wallets for token creation, trading and more. Please select your default wallet from the list below. So features, this currently selected default wallet is marked with a green check. Tap add newly wallet to create another one. So each wallet had its own unique address and SOL balance. So wallet selections affected which wallet pays of transactions and receive rewarded. Thank you so much, Crypto Butterfly, for your joining and appreciation and kind words. Thank you so much, dear. Means a lot. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. Please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow. So today is my first project. Don't forget to like and follow my account. Okay, so now next we have features. The currently selected default wallet is marked with a green check. Tap and new wallet to create another one. Each wallet had its own unique address and SOL balance. Wallet selections affects which wallet pays of transactions of receive reward. Next we have node. So the default wallet is used automatically for token creation, swap, mining, etc. So you can freely switch wallet before using a feature. So wallet are persistence and storage security, but always keep a backup of the private key. Next we have discuss copy and trade token. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion, and once again welcome back. So copy and trade token, what is the feature? DexLab Factory boasts both factory copy and instant trade features using any token, minute, address or pump fund URL. So you can Instantly trade a token without manual setup. So instantly replicate, copy a token including home, number, first name, symbol, base climbs, supply, or event CA, prefix first two characters. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. Weather is amazing. Yes dear, but मैं busy हूँ stream में. इसके बाद इंशाल्लाह. So perfect for launching name token or creating copy based communities with just a few taps. So token details preview. Once you are passed a mint address or selected a token from trading new listing, you will be show a detailed preview. So token information, name bonk, symbol bonk, decimals 5 or 24th volume $3772146.061415 user created token CLI or web or minute DEXXA processing or bonk plus 27.95% or $0.044155. So next we have buy or sell, copy mint or token hub. Next we have close. So you can immediately choose to buy, sell, copy mint or visit token hub. So copy token metadata, paste a mint address of URL. The boss dedicated the token and allows you to copy all metadata instantly, launch it on pump fun, even clone with same supply and naming. So enter the token CA, mint or pump fun URL to copy to cancel the process, enter cancel or bonk token detail. Copy token only, copy and launch on pump fun. So copy token only, copy and launch or pump fun. Time required 10 seconds or instantly trade any token. You can also pass the same minute address and jump stating into the purchase flow. Thank you so much, Crypto Butterfly, for your joining and appreciation. Thank you so much, dear. Means a lot. So instantly trade any token. You can also paste the same minute address and jump starting into the purchase. Okay, so now last we have choose 0% or amount, e.g. 010205 SOL. Executive swap via your select aggregator, so shows your available SOL balance. So notes, copy to token retained the same CA prefix. Your better branding or memes trading works on any token. View your valid liquidity. Always double check data. If doing public tokens or pump fund, launch fees will still apply on copy. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. Please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow. So if you have any question related to today's stream or topic, feel free to ask in my comment section. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining appreciation. Please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow my account. Okay, so now next we have boost setting. Customize your experience. The boost setting menu allows your find through your DexLab factory board experience from wallet management to swap behavior. Each setting directly impact how your trade and transactions are executed. So board setting, please select the desired option. A renew wallet will create a new deposit wallet. Make sure to back up your recovery key before proceeding. Set withdraw wallet or view wallet recovery key. Wallet 2x5 swap model auto buy slippage 10% or sale slippage 10%, view guide or close. So set withdraw wallet for security and currency. You must register a withdraw wallet before transferring SOL or SPL token out of board. So by default, no withdraw address is set. You will be promoted to input a valid public key Solana wallet addresses. So current pub key not set. To set it up, please enter your wallet addresses public key. So one set is address will be used for all outgoing transfer. Prevent accidentally withdrawal to wrong or malicious address to view wallet recovery key. You can securely view the private key and seed phases for your current default deposit wallet. So first we have display includes so public key or seed purchase or private key. So view recovery key, public key, balance 0.0000000 SOL, seeds or private key, wallet 2 by 5 close or wallet X by 5, access the same multiple wallet management screen, scene deposit wallet or section, so you can switch, create or manage up to 5 deposit wallet. Swap mode, you can choose which aggregator for use for swap. Auto default, choose best available for ratio. So OKY is the main required to project detail to the OKX edges forces of uses of OKX Jupyter edges forces of use of Jupyter. Thank you so much, Crypto Butterfly, for always being here. Thank you so much, dear, for your support and appreciation. Please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow my account. Okay, so now next we have set the purity of swap aggregators. So slippage setting, adjust slippage tolerance for buy and sell trades independently, range 0% or 100%, default 10%. So use lower value of stable tokens, higher for name volatile tokens. Notes, changing setting does not require reconnecting the bot. So changing task effective immediately, always double checks critical setting, light slippage and withdraw addresses. So always down to the main factor. Now next we have token factory. Token factory make it easy that even to create your own token. With token factor you can issue list and manage your SPL all without our complex coding. Why choose token factory? No coding required. Anyone can create a tokens in minutes or seamlessly management, easy list and manage your token. So integrated ecosystem ready for liquidity pool and DeFi application. Okay, so now next, battle tested and trusted, providing is reliability. So many successfully token have already launched through DexLab, providing is reliability. So DexLab Telegram bot factory bot. DexLab factory bot on Telegram offers anything from token creation and trading to mini games and talk to earn features, combining utility with fun. Thank you so much, Crypto Butterfly, for your comment. Thank you so much, dear. Means a lot. Please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow my account. Thank you so much to all of you. If you have any question related to today's stream or topic, feel free to ask in my comment section. Okay, so now next, getting started, transaction to the new token factor, the old token factor's legacy version. So quick token creation guide or change token information, update metadata, or Mango token burn, mint revenue, freeze revenue, mint token hub, manage and explore, create your own liquidity pool, easy and fast, provide and manage liquidity, token swap, or creating open book, market ID, how to check market ID or FAQ. Okay, so now next we have quick token creation guide. Create your token in seconds, your project, your token, your way. So create a Solana token, easy and fast. Create your own token on Solana. On the Solana blockchain, anyone can create their own digital token. It's similar to have a coffee shop, issue reward points you can use if you are a specific purpose, just like points or even trade. It's like really currency. Thank you so much, Crypto I or Pathan, for your joining. Okay, so now next, how to create your Solana token. Go to Token Factory, creating a token or Solana. It simply just follow these steps. Okay. So step 1, connect your wallet, create token. Before creating your token cannot with Solana wallet, click content wallet at the top right of navigation bar. A pop-up will appear. Select your preferred wallet, e.g. Phantom Solana. Approve the connection request or you will be wallet be used to approve transactions and manage your token. So one connected process to the next step. Step 2, entry token information. Okay, once selected, process to the next step. The number second, two-step entire token information. So enter the basic detail of your token, token name, enter the name of token, e.g. DEXLab, trigger symbol, set a short symbol of your token, e.g. DXL, symbol of logo image. So update and upload an image, recommended size 256 multiplied to 56 pixel. So supported format images JPEG, JPG, PNG, WE, BP, GIF, AVIF. Descriptions optional. Add a short descriptions of your token. Once you are re-entered, add the detailed process to the next step. Step 3, mint and generate your token. Thank you so much, Gate users, for your joining. So now finalize your token setting and complete the creation process. Customize token address or optional. Add up to 4 custom character in the start of end of your token addresses. Example, if you enter DXL, your address may start like DXL. This is optional. You can keep a random addresses if you prefer. Set your token supply. So enter the total number of token to be created. Default 1000 but you can change it. So if you need to adjust disclaims, click show advanced optional below. Thank you so much, coin holder, for your joining. Okay, so if you need to adjust disclaimer, click show advanced optional below. So choose where to mint token, mint to wallet, the wallet that will receive with initial supply. So default your own connected wallets recommended. So create your token, click create token to finalize, approve the wallet transactions, or your token is now live on the Solana blockchain. So these settings allowing to customize your token further. If you do not meet them, you can skip the setup. Disclaimers, seamless units or minute authorities or fees authorities to description. So change token information, update metadata. Your VN now live. Step 1, connect your wallet. So before uploading your token, connect your Solana wallet. Open Token Hub or click Connect Wallet. A pop-up will appear. Access to professional wallet, e.g. Phantom or Solana. Your wallet will be used to approve transactions and manage your token. Step 2, search for your token. So find the token you want to update or search if the token you want to update. Token with a tool icon indicated they will manageable and can be updated. Click on the token and you want to modify. Step 3, access the manage tab. When you click on the token is the previous step, you will be the menu at the top switches to manage tab at the top. So and if you will see the modify meta table button to update the token detail. Step 4, modify metadata. Click the modify metadata button from the previous setup to update the token detail. You can modify the original information set during token creation. Okay, thank you so much to all of you for your joining. Please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow my account. So today is my first project, so please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow my account. So previous version, where can I find token management? You can access the management screen directly by tracing to token address minute. Upon connecting your wallet or token, you will be displayed and you can enter by selecting a token from the list. So next we have Token Hub. Manage and explore your all-in-one token dashboard. Introducing Token Hub. Token Hub is your all-in-one dashboard from tracking, managing of opportunity and exploring tokens effortlessly. So whichever you will create your own tokens are looking for new opportunity, Token Hub provider a seamless way to organize and monitor them. So easily access to your token portfolio, stay update on trading, assess on discover the latest listening all in one step. Thank you so much, Fatty, for your joining. Hello dear, how are you? Good to see you here with me. Okay, so easily access your token portfolio, say update to trading assessed is discover latest listening all in one place. So with powerful search and filtering tools, find specific tokens has never been easier. Stay in control if you have no tokens while keeping an eye on the market. Thank you so much, Fat, for your joining. Please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow. If you have any question related to today's stream or topic, feel free to ask in my comment section. So explore token, stay in control of your token while keeping an eye on the market. Go to the token hub or find any trade token effortlessly. Trending token, stay updated on the most activity. Trade token, new listening, discover recently launched token in real time. Search and explore, find any token by name, symbol or address. Explore new token, follow market trend and never miss an opportunity. So when you click on a token, you will be able to view dedicated market data and trade the token instantly. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. Okay, so now market overview. Click the token prices 24 or volume and trading activity. Basic information, view token details such as name, symbol and content address, authority and metadata, verifying, minting, freezing and metadata, update permissions, trade and swap, instantly swap for token of trading or stay informated with real-time market data and make better trading or decision. Okay, so now easy access to control the token into one place. Track token performance, click balance, supply and market activity. Monitor market trend, keep an eye on liquidity, volume and token movements. Stay in fully control on your token with a clear and optimizing dashboard or token with a tool icon initially that are manageable and can be updated. So token decimal guide. When creating a token in Solana blockchain, the concept of token disclaimer become a pivotal features of defaulting to the different ways of crease disclaimer. Explaining disclaimer value is the numerical value of specifications due to technical regularity to the environment impact transaction. So parties practical implications users experience a token with high disclaimer can be used is a wider variety of transactions utility to the different phases transactions appealing to use to the many need to many may small to the descriptions. So choosing to the right disclaimer values. So for example, high value transactions are lower decimals value might sufficient for the token instead to the high level transactions. Ultimate the decision of the disclaimer value is strategics of the effort in the token functionally users experience and market adoptions by consulting the specific needs of your token and its users. You can select add dismiss value to the support of goals and enhance chance utility of your token of the Solana blockchain. Okay, thank you so much to all of you for your joining. So please keep supporting. Don't forget to like and follow. So next we have factory fee. $0.020115 SOL is required for token issuance and until creating our onboard market IP requires a minimum of $3 SOL. However, we are creating pool index lab. There is no need to create a market ID. And when creating a pool in Rhodium, creating on book market ID is required. So how to check market ID? Check my token market ID. Go on the Solana and search of the wallet addresses displayed of Sol as fee. And when creating a market ID, look for transactions like the screenshot below. So compute budget, set computer unit limit, transaction by 6 theorem utilizing market checkout, or 3 one market addresses is your market ID. Now next we have FAQ. So FAQ, minting lab FAQ. Thank you so much CryptoZen for your joining. Glad to see you here with me. Okay, so what is the difference between the DEX lab pool and other? Firstly, ever M has a different structure. Some M's, including DEX lab, is not users. Other boards who do not require market ID. On the other hand, it in case redeemed, a market ID is required because it is on order book based double M. So number second, why there is a difference is transaction fees even though is the same transaction. And the answer we have transaction size vary slightly depending on option selection. When issuing token, you can think of the larger the amount of token as the higher the fee. Okay, so now next we have question number third, why token distributing functional transaction fee is high? And the answer we have, the function allows token transfer to perform that one. Therefore, if she transaction is distributed to 4 wallets, the fee is high because their 4 transfer fees are shown combined. So how to burn LP? A minted token burning and LP tokens burning at the same thing. The side effects of LP burning may vary of each pool, so it is not recommended it's to burn it's anytime. Check out to the tutorial before using burn. Check out the tutorial before using. So next we have why I cannot use the mint function. Answer, if the token mint authority is disclaimer and cannot be done. Okay. And next we have why I cannot change authority. If your fixed date supply already changing authority cannot be done. So question, why I cannot update metadata. So if the metadata metaable to describable, the token metadata cannot be updated anymore. So what is the freeze authority? A freeze authority means enabling to the token management and burn cannot do not it feel freezy to the security. Okay, so now next we have DEX swap LP pool. DEX lab liquidity pool. The liquidity pool services is now live on DEX lab. Now you can become a liquidity provider on DEX lab by depositing access into a pool and facilitating swap trade on DEX and AM. So editing liquidity on pool. Note this is pool of the day event to using of tutorial usage. Enter the amount of token A, token B. Amount will be automatically calculated. Or click add liquidity. Click the transaction process on their left down corner. It may show a check mark after transaction success. Okay, withdraw liquidity from pool. Click withdraw. Type down the amount of LP token which you want to withdraw. Check to transaction process on the left down corner. It may show a check mark after transaction success. Token swap, trade any token in second, easy, secure and efficient. What is token swap? Token swap lets you are instantly exchanging on token for another using a decentralizing system instead of referring to the buyers or sellers. Swap happen through liquidity pools where tokens are automatically exchanged based on supply and demand. So go to swap, setup and select token to swap. How to preparing, choosing the token of your want to swap. To receive, choose the token you want to receive. Step 2, enter swap amount or type the amount of token you want to swap. So click half of max for quick selection of available balance. Okay. So auto calculation. When you enter amount of one token, the system will automatically calculate it and display a requirement amount for the other token based off the current exchange rate. So next we have step 3, view estimated output. The system calculates how much of the second token you will receive. Rates are automatically adjusted based on the liquidity and demand. Step 4, confirm the complete the swap. So click the swap button to proceed with the transaction. Click the transaction detail in the confirmation wallet. Approve the swap in your wallet, e.g. Python Solana. Wait for confirmation. This transaction is processed on the blockchain. Swap complete. That's it. You are unsuccessfully swapped. Your token is just a few clicks. Okay. Next we have Timo services. The DexLab DEX is a fully decentralized exchanging. No requirement or guarantee is made considering a subset of DexLab. DEX including two requirements. The DexLab is not available to resistance of Belarus, the Central African Republic. Is recommended priority to in using an exchange of your confirm that you will not be released is a prohibited gesture to privacy policy you see in your screen. Okay, so next we have platform disclaimer and next SDK and API license agreement. So important the DexLab API and SDK license agreement. Agreement is regularly bridging and control between your as license to the agreement become efficiently of the data of your first access download copy for otherwise use of API of SDK effective data. The agreement shall continue until terminated either to requirement agreement and to the terms to services of privacy policies. The provision of this agreement shall prevail. So definition: application programming interfaces of API of DexLab AP to the multiple base of Solana. Software development kit or SDK. DexLab SDK means the initially and requirement documentation grant of license. So license shall have the right to distribute license wherever you will be through multiple streyer. So other writers and eliminations copies licenses may copy API or SDK only and necessary for the purpose of license householder. Okay. So ये हमारा इसका disclaimer है. Applications, law, aberrations or misallowances, assignment. License may not assign the agreement without DexLab prior written concept or waiver no clear by the other party to execution is right under the agreement with act as a waiver or severability if your provider is the agreement is found invalid. Other provision will remain in for by using this API or SDK. Your acknowledge you will have and read, understand and agree to bound by the agreement. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining and appreciation. So I am a new streamer. I really need your support. So today is my first project. So if you have any question related to today's stream or topic, feel free to ask in my comment section. तो ये था हमारा DexLab का official white paper जो कि हमने discuss किया. So now Candy Drops 7/4 Candy Drops X DexLab XLab trade and invite friend to share 10,000 000 XLab. So 2025 08 0903 0308.24 UTC at the total views we have 12728. So Candy Drop is Gate Candy Airdrop platform where users complete tasks to earn candies and share token airdrop. We are excited to launch the XLab Token Airdrops event where you can complete the following tasks to earn candies and share our total prize pool of 10,000 000 XLab with a maximum individual share of 10,000 000 XLab. Detail is as are flow follows. So first spot trading pool 2,000 000 XLab maximum 1,000 000 X lab per person. Spot trading pool 4,000 000 X lab maximum 4,500,000 X lab per person. Invite friend prize pool 4,000 000 X lab maximum or 4,500,000 X lab per person. Airdrop calculation formula individual candy amount. Trade total candies of all users price pool. Event period September 3, 2025 to 6.00 September 14, 2025 6.00 UTC. So now first step, first spot trading pool rules. Users who make the first ever spot trading on Gate and executions on XLab spot trade 200 USDT will receive a fixed 1,000 000 XLab reward. First come first served. Tool price pool 2,000 000 XLab distributed after the event. The number 2, spot trading pool rules. During the event, users can cumulative hyperbird to the spot trading volume buy a plus sale. 500 USDT will receive candy reward and share the 4,000 000 XLab. Each users you can earn to up the candies with the maximum 4,500 000 XLab per person. Rewarded rules as are follow. So XLab trading volume 1,000 USDT 3 candies or XLab trading volume 3,000 USDT 5 candies. So invite friends, prize pool rules. During the event of every successfully invention of one valid friend who can register and complete 200 USDT XLab spot trading, you can receive one candy with maximum of 10 candies. All candies holder will share a prize pool of 400,000 XLab will maximum award of 4,500 XLab per person. So note, to total quality as a valid referral, users must register through the exclusive event link and complete 100 USDT in spot trading of XLab. Referral who have participated in invitation campaigns will not be eligible for candy reward. So DexLab as a Solana-based of token factory of decentralizing exchanging platform, they empower anyone to launch and grow tokens without coding since 2020. So token XLab node participation must click the join now button on the event page. After successfully joining the event, comments the event task and identity verification to receive their reward. Reward will be distributed within 1-4 business days after the event concluding. Bulk registrations of multiple accounts, malicious volume manipulations, wash trading is the dealing of other cheating behavior or strictly prohibited. Multiple accounts verified under the same user's identity will be concluded. Signed accounts, sub accounts are not be eligible of participation. Market more businesses and institutions are not be eligible for their event. Affiliate accounts cannot be joined the referral achievement but can participate in the other event without restrictions. Only fully execute order to the control to the activity. Operationally execute order will not be connected in case of a discrepancies between translated version. The English version shall prevail. Gate reserve the final rights of importations of this event. Users from the restricted region will not be unable to use of all of parts of is this the services including participation in event game of contestant. For detailed information regarding registered region, please refer to the user's argument. Number 9, risk warning. Users must bear in mind the cryptocurrency trading is affected by multiple factors such as market dynamics and required policies. Market prices are high volatility and unpredictability. Please pay close attention its market risk and trade courteously. So Gate team September 3, 2025 Gateway to Crypto. Trade over 3,500 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly and easily on Gate. Take action now. Sign up and claim up to $10,000 in welcome reward. Invite friend and earn a 40% commission. Stay connected. Visit Gate official website. Download the Gate app desktop. Follow us on X Twitter to get more bonuses. Join our Telegram community to discuss trending topics. Engage with our global community For the latest insight, transparency and security, check our 100% proof or reserve. तो ये था आज का हमारा टॉपिक और प्रोजेक्ट जो कि हमने डिस्कस किया, जो कि है कैंडी ड्रॉप 7 कैंडी ड्रॉप्स एक्स एक्स लैब ट्रेड एंड इनवाइट फ्रेंड टू शेयर 10,000 000 एक्स लैब। उसके बाद हमने एक्स लैब को डिस्कस किया, इसके बाद हमने एक्स लैब की ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट डिस्कस की एंड द लास्ट वी डिस्कस द वाइट पेपर ऑफ एक्स लैब। ओके, तो ये था आज का टॉपिक। आई होप आज का टॉपिक आप सबके लिए इंटरेस्टिंग रहा होगा। Okay, so now it's time to wrap up, but thank you so much to all of you for your joining and appreciation. Thank you so much, Crypto Butterfly, for always being my side. Thank you so much once again. So guys, that was my topic for today. I hope you all enjoying it. Thank you so much for joining my live. A special thanks to my new followers and all my friends. I will meet you again tomorrow with a new interesting topic. Till then, take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.